Hi, I'm Jeremy with the Yanmar Academy. In today's tractor tip, I'm going to show you how to install the Claw Grapple on an SA Series tractor. To start, you will always want to position the grapple on solid level ground when attaching or removing it. This not only is safer, but it makes it easier. To attach the grapple, angle the connecting bar slightly forward and approach the grapple. Line up the bar with the hooks on the grapple and slowly raise the loader. When the connecting bar is firmly in the hooks, tilt the grapple backward. This will align the quick link assembly for easy pin installation. With both pins in place, you will need to route the flexible hoses to the third function valve couplers. Be sure to clean the couplers before you connect your hoses. This keeps dust and dirt out of the hydraulic system. With the grapple slightly off the ground, raise the parking stand by removing the pins and clips. Then raise the parking stand legs by rotating them upwards and reinstall the pins and clips to hold them in place. Now you can raise the grapple and activate the third function valve by pressing the button on the loader joystick. While the button is depressed, you can purge the system of any trapped air while opening and closing the grapple by moving the joystick side to side. To dismount your grapple, start with the grapple slightly raised. Lower the parking stand and remove the hairpin clip and the pin from each side. Set them aside for reinstallation. Then you may lower the loader arms until the grapple is level on the ground. Once it's level, continue to lower the grapple and the connecting bar will come free from the hooks. You should relieve the pressure system by turning off the tractor, turn the key to the accessory mode, and activate the third function valve to relieve the pressure on the hydraulic hoses. You can now disconnect them. Start the tractor and slowly back away, and that's it. You're disconnected. Now that you know how to install and remove your Claw Grapple, check out our operation video on how to use your grapple. And as always, thanks for watching, and for more tractor tips, visit yanmartractor.com or contact your local Yanmar dealer.